Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to enhance your photo quality in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr app on your mobile phone if you haven't already. So you can see here it is, I have downloaded from the App Store, and now we can go ahead and open it up, and we want to go ahead and open up the picture that we want to enhance the quality for. So let's go ahead and click the photos button right here. That's going to open up our gallery. And there we can get started with selecting our image that we want to use. As you can see, I have selected this image right here, and now we can get started with enhancing the quality. So guys, you can see here we can zoom in on our picture and so on, see everything that we have to do. And guys, basically we are going to use the effects that Pixlr offers us to enhance the quality. We can go ahead and click the first option right here. The bottom part of the screen is the menu option with all the options we can click. We want to click on the briefcase. That's going to give us a list of all the tools we can use. And guys, a tool that you can use for enhancing your quality is to either go ahead and use the autofix option that you can see right here, or the smooth option. But you can go ahead and click either autofix or sharpen right here, and after clicking autofix, it's going to autofix our picture. As you can see, it's going to go ahead and enhance our quality and fix any irregularities we might have right here. So you just want to go ahead and swipe over it, and where you have your irregularities, after that confirm, and as you can see, this is our new enhanced picture. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.